Hey Resinators, Happy New Year. So I cannot believe that it's already 2024, 2023 went so fast. But today I am so excited to show you what I was sent from an amazing company called 3D Crystal. So I sent them a photo of me and my babies, and then within a few days, I received this amazing crystal. And when I received it in the mail, I was literally freaking out. It's in a beautiful box, and the packaging makes this crystal feel so much more special. And this crystal ended up being a lot heavier and higher quality than I was expecting. And I'm not gonna lie, I was blown away. The image was absolutely breathtaking. It's so crazy. Like, they found a way to make the 2D image that I sent to them actually 3D. Like, when you turn it to the sides, you can actually see the shape of our faces. It's literally incredible. So as soon as I received this crystal, I knew that I wanted to make a light up display tray for it because I really wanted to showcase this image with lights, because you guys know me, I love my lights. So as I was making it, I was torn between using the bright white lights or my rainbow colorful lights. So I decided to just put both of them into the tray, and then I used crystal clear resin with silver glitter. I didn't want to do too much, but I definitely wanted to be able to see what this crystal would look like with both colored lights. So after seeing how amazing the craftsmanship was on this crystal, I had to check out their website, and guys, this is the perfect gift. So on their website, they actually have tons of different options and a bunch of different shapes, and some are as low as $35. So honestly, it's affordable and it's definitely worth it. So guys, once the tray was all cured, I was so excited to see what it looked like with the lights. So here is the crystal with the bright white lights. Oh. It was completely dark in my house, so I made sure that it was nighttime when I did this video just to show how awesome this crystal looked with the lights, guys. It was reflecting in every direction. It was beautiful, honestly, just beautiful. So here it is with my rainbow colorful lights, and guys, it's a completely different vibe, but it's still so beautiful. Honestly, I can't decide which one I like better with this crystal. So you guys have to let me know in the comments, do you like it better with the bright white lights or the rainbow lights? Either way, I am literally obsessed with this crystal and I will cherish it forever. I will be leaving the link to 3D Crystal in the description, so make sure that you check it out. And as usual, stay kind, stay amazing, and keep on resonating. Peace.